Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you're at right now. This morning I met up with a subscriber, longtime subscriber, Bob. Great guy, nice guy. Had breakfast up at Charlie's, had the sausage gravy, which is excellent. And, you know, hung out and talked, and it was great hearing his stories and everything. But yeah, that's what I did this morning. And you know what? Bob brought me a gift from the United States. You guys ready for this? He bought me a whole huge bag of York peppermint patties. So thanks, Bob. And I'm sure it's going to take me a while to eat all these, but thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. You know how to check in the message. You guys are leaving a ton of names. That's awesome. That's great. Leave the names for the cat down below. And I think this Saturday, we'll do the drawing for the name and everything. But thanks a lot for, you know, for leaving names. We're gonna get her a name real soon. But anyways, I don't know, there's nothing really going on. Let's over at the store. Like I said, I had breakfast this morning with Bob and got me a nice shave. And I'm just gonna kind of hang out here until I gotta pick up Hannah and Grace, but I'm sure something's gonna go on today, and I'll be there to film it for you guys, so. You guys, it is finally raining out. You guys, it is finally raining. I cannot tell you the last time it rained here, but it's finally raining. As you can tell, I'm at the shop. You got this guy here. He just decides he's going to park here on the side of the road and cause a major problem. He's not even off the road. So now we got to do a little weaving in and out around my car and his car. I'm filming outside the little window box, so I don't have to go out in the rain. Nice little steady rain. Looks like the water's building up down this way some. Like I said, we were told that the water just kind of gushes down all through here, through the street. But we were also told the water does not come in here, so that's a good thing. But it's cooling things off, that's for sure, because it was rather warm out. So hopefully when the sun comes out, it stays a little on the cool side and doesn't heat up as bad. But I don't like walking through the streets when the water's when it rains, because some of these ditches overflow, and if you've seen the ditches here, some of them do not look rather healthy. So then, you know, you're walking down the street and you're walking in all that, you know, all that nasty, gross water. And you know, if you have a cut on your feet, you better take care of it, because probably get it infected, that's for sure, and that's something you don't want to do here. Alright, so I stopped at a couple places on the way down to the store, a couple places, pet supply places, looking for a litter box for the kitten. One place out of stock, the second place had one, but it was too small, third place out of stock. And I also stopped at a place that does shots, because we want to get her shots. They say cats here get 3 different types of shots. They want $750 per shot, and then a rabies shot at $250. I think I'm going to shop around, because I'm sure we could find somewhere cheaper than that. But yeah, I'm on the hunt right now to find a litter box for the kitten. So I mean, if she's going to be an inside cat, she definitely needs a litter box. So Butch said she used the she went in the bathroom, so she did use the bathroom, but she used the bathroom floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I cleaned it too bad.
Yeah. So I'm on the hunt now for a cat litter box. I could probably go over to the mall, but I think there's a pet place over at Marquee, but I'm sure you're going to pay premium price. They have a lot of just pet stores along MacArthur here. It's just a matter of finding the right one and them have it in stock. There's a couple up towards Robinson Mall that I know, so maybe tomorrow I'll just head up there and check them out. But Gotta find a litter box. You guys, I am out trying to find a cat box. It is almost 5 o'clock. I'm on MacArthur. Traffic's bad. I actually went down MacArthur the other way, didn't find any place. Now I'm heading up MacArthur here, walking streets to the right, McDonald's. And I do know of a pet shop up here on the right hand side, and they got quite a bit of stuff, so I'm going to try to check that place out and see if they have a litter box there. So the search continues. There's no like big pet value stores or anything like that here. A lot of them are just like little tiny little stores, and you go in and ask, and if they have it, they have it. If not, it's going to be out of stock. But like I said, the one I'm going up to now is pretty big, so hopefully they will have it. And this is fun sitting in the traffic here on MacArthur. Got the walkway here, so this backs everything up because everybody's trying to get across here in this busy section, and we're on our way. Alright guys, I'm at the pet shop now. I've come here before. They got quite a bit of stuff in here. They do have some litter boxes, so I'll probably be buying one. But I want to show you this pet store here. They got, I mean, it's fairly nice size. It's nicer than the other ones I went in. They have quite a bit in here. So let me show you around in this little pet store here. And they got some fish tanks here. A little frog swimming around. You guys see it? Got a lot of neat fish in here. A lot of nice, they keep it very clean. It's not dirty and nasty. 'Cause I've been in some pet shops where they're just ugly. But I think these frogs are pretty cool. Swimming around in there. Like a blue one, a pink one, and a white one. Nice fish here. Got some turtles hanging out there. Cool looking fish up there hanging out. That guy's pretty cool. Yeah. Nice pet store. Those are pretty cool, whatever they are. Black ghost knife. That's it, black ghost knife. I think these are tetras. I had these before when I had a tank. We got some goldfish in here. Yeah, here's the cat litter box. Got some bird cages. Yeah, these guys right here swimming around. Please do not touch the glass. Do they come in a different color?
Yeah, like this.
What other? Do you have other color? No, that's it. Green. What about that one there? Can I have that one? That one up there?
That's blue-green.
Yeah, that blue-green. It's better than the... Yeah, you know what? I'll take the green. I'll take that green. Yeah.
Yes, sir. How about 8%?
Yeah, let me look for some of that, yeah. But yeah, let me quick show you around here because they got all kinds of stuff in here. I mean, check out these fish. They're pretty cool looking. Check these out, man. These are awesome. I like them. All different colors. Like I said, they keep it very clean in here. There's some cool looking fish in there. A couple more tanks down through here. They got little birds here. Little parakeets, little parrots. No bird houses here. Bird cages. Pet supply food. Got a couple puppies here. Hi, puppy. Yeah, it's a really nice store here. Like I said, I've been here before. Really nice. Let me come out here. Let me show you out front here. Got some rabbits here. A couple white rabbits. And they got cages down there if you need a cage. I'm actually standing inside a cage right now. Stay outside here. They got these guys here. I don't know what these are. These are pigeons, of course. Then you got these guys here. But yeah, nice pet store. Really nice pet store. It's up here on MacArthur. It's down on the same side as the casino down the road. Let me see what's down around here. Japanese grill place. Whoa, better not get out there, I'll get hit. It's down towards Robinson, down that way. They do dog and cat grooming here. So yeah, it's a pretty cool place. If you're up here, you need some pet supplies, I would definitely come here because nice place, a lot nicer than other places I've been and a lot cleaner than other places I've been. So, all right, I'm gonna head on in there and I'm gonna grab this cat litter box. All right, guys, I'm gonna head right here to the animal clinic and grooming. It's right, I mean, within walking distance of the pet stop or the pet store, so I can get prices and see how much these people will charge. Right here, animal clinic and grooming, and they are located right here. Pet grooming and supplies. I guess I'll head on in there and get prices on it. But if you're wondering where it's at, like I said, it's down the road from the casino, on the same side as the casino. Robinson Mall's down there on the right-hand side. Here's Mac's Restaurant. So it's right here at Max's Restaurant, and just kind of like a landmark to, you know, give you a reference to where it is. And then you got the this place right here. So I'm gonna head on in here and see how much they charge for shots for the kitten. All right, so I just got prices from her. Same thing, it's 3 shots and then like a rabies shot. But their prices are 800 pesos per shot, which the other place was 750, and then 300 for the rabies shot, when the other place was 750. So I'm taking it, it's right around there, 700 to 800, give or take, for the vaccinations for the kitten. So I'll probably go down to the other place if that seems to be the going rate. Am I getting a Kano price? I don't know, but that seems to be the going rate. So maybe I'll stop at a couple other places. Not now. I'm gonna head back to the Sorry store, and but yeah, that seems to be the going rate. So heading back to the store. All right, guys, I'm back at the shop now. Got a lot accomplished today. Actually picked up a litter box and got some cat litter. That was a job in itself, especially trying to find a pet store here that carried it. Like I said, out of stock. And the last pet store, they had it. Kind of knew they would. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap this one up, and tomorrow the journey continues, and I'm gonna leave you guys with some footage of the kitten. And I got this little red light, you know, little infrared light. She's sitting there playing with it, chasing around. So I'll leave you guys with that, but we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Pabiling cream soup green. Ilan po? Dalawa. Okay, isang cream.